Welcome to J&J's test video of 9692. This is an '05 Corvette LS2 automatic. Runs, does not drive because as you'll see it is missing a wheel. Somebody went for a ride right after they got it. So there will be no driving this one around. Go ahead and start it. Show you what we got. '05 only stuff, the wheel. Oh yeah, there is no brake pedal. Automatic, temperature control, staying a little bit, aftermarket radio. She runs good. Oil pressure. I can't check the transmission. Window regulators up and down. That one works. The door's broken in half, but the window regulator works. Check the mirror. There's no mirror. Climate control. That's about it, folks. Alright, as always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.